So one brand that's made its mark in Indian market is boAt, and we're going to talk about one such watch that I happened to use randomly and was surprised by the pricing and performance. Priced at Rs 1,909 only, the boAt Stormcall 3 gives a powerful packed impression. After using it for a month, I think it's a great mix of style, features and affordability, and just at the right budget. boAt smartwatch offers call support, a sensitive microphone, a clear speaker, and IP67 certification. This one features built-in turn-by-turn navigation powered by Mapple's Map My India, providing users with autonomous navigation capabilities and precise directions on their wrists. This comes in 4 colors: cherry blossom, olive green, active black, and silver metal. boAt also made a claim that this is the most affordable option for health-conscious consumers and tech users. Weighing just the right amount, the smartwatch is comfortable to wear all day long. The lightweight design, paired with the customizable watch faces and straps, ensures it fits any style or occasion. Whether you're at the gym or at a social gathering, this one seamlessly blends into any setting. Design-wise, the Stormcall 3 boasts a large square 550 nit dial with 2040x296 resolution and wake-up gesture. Users can customize their watch face with a variety of downloadable options or create their own using the DIY Watch Face Studio, reflecting their unique style and personality. While talking about functionality, it remains a top priority for the boAt, with the Storm 3 offering BT calling capabilities, enabling seamless phone calls directly from the wrist. This also includes features like camera, music controls, notification, and lots of it. The watch monitors heart rate, SpO2, sleep, energy, and offers daily activity trackers and sedentary alerts to encourage an active lifestyle. Well, in terms of battery, Stormcall 3 impresses with up to 7 days of charge-free usage. Yes, it is also IP67 certified. This is a fantastic smartwatch for anyone looking for a device that offers a blend of fitness, tracking, connectivity, and safety features. With its turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth calling, emergency SOS, and 700 plus active modes, the smartwatch caters to a wide range of needs. Yes, its durable design and IP67 resistance makes it perfect for outdoor adventures as well. If you want to express your style along with lots, that's for you.